Hello guys, hope you're all fine. Today I'm going to review the new version of the transportation add-on created for vehicle lovers. And oh boy, what an add-on. Before I start, I would like to mention that I'm not paid to do this review and it's my honest opinion. Also, the add-on is actually 25% off for Black Friday. The link will be in the description. What's crazy about this add-on is the number of vehicles you get, around 65, and their quality. As you saw in my presentation video, those cars are professional looking. But that's not all. The cars are already rigged and ready for animation. All models are available in high and low resolution. And you get 70 HDRIs and 320 backplates. Yes, this add-on is insane. Let's see how it works. For the add-on installation, you do as usual. So it's Edit, Preferences, you go in Add-on, Install, and you select your file and install add-on. Then you just have to activate the add-on. Okay, now concerning the add-on itself, you will have available here. And like in the previous version, you have different vehicle categories. And what's cool about this add-on is that you don't only have cars, but also planes, like this, like helicopters and balloon now. You can, you also have boats, and I like also trucks. Trucks are cool. And like I said in my introduction, those vehicles are professional looking. So, and let me just show you the sports also. Cross sports are cool too. That's a lot of vehicles you have available here. Okay, so now let me show you how you can add a vehicle in your scene. First, for each vehicle, you have a high resolution and a low resolution version. A low resolution might be when you have something in the background and you don't need a lot of details. And before you add a vehicle, you can choose its location, might be in center or on the cursor. I'll just leave it at center for now. So I click on Add Vehicle. And just like that, you have your vehicle in your scene. Then you have another option, which is Snap Vehicle to Background. Let me show you how it works. So add a plane. We scale it a bit. I will raise it, and same for the car. And now, if I click Snap Vehicle to Ground, it will automatically recognize this plane as the floor and snap the vehicle on it. It might be useful in some cases. Okay, and the great thing with this add-on is that the cars comes already rigged and ready for animation. So all you have to do is to click on your car and click on Make Editable for Animation. And now you have your rig activated. So if I go in pose mode, I can select those controls to animate my car. And this rig is the one I use in all my videos. So if you want to know how to use it, just check my previous videos. With this add-on, you can also change the color of your cars. So you have different options here, metallic, matte, and shiny, and you have different colors. So all you have to do is to click on your car. You select a color, maybe gray like this. And you click on Add Car Paint to Vehicle. And just like that, you change the color of your cars. And if you don't have enough colors here, you can also add some custom colors. Okay, now let me show you the HDRIs and backplates. As I said, this add-on comes also with 70 HDRIs. And all you have to do is to select one. For example, we go for Venice down. And you click on Add HDRI. I go in render mode. And just like that, you have your HDRI in your scene. And you also have different controls here. For example, you can raise the power, change the saturation, rotation, and height. I find it very useful to have those HDRIs in the tool because they are very easy to implement in your scene. And you can quickly see how the light is interacting with your object. And if you only want the light, don't forget that you have this option in Blender. If you go in render properties, you have here film, and you can check transparent. So you only have the lights of the HDRI. Okay, now let's talk about the backplates. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the backplates option because I mostly do animations, but if you're doing still renders, it might be great. So you click on backplates, and here for each HDRI, you have a different background. So maybe let me choose this one. Yeah, and all you have to do is to click on Add in Background. And you can see the backplates only in camera mode. So let me check camera mode here. And let me rotate my car just to have it fit the scene a little bit better. Maybe like this. And maybe I move it here. And one cool option you have with the backplates is the add transparent shadows. So you select my car and you click on add transparent shadows. And here, as you can see now, oops, sorry. Here you can see I have now some shadows on the ground. So it's helping for the integration of your car in your scene. And this option, add transparent shadows, is also available with the Hdri. So if I go back in the Hdri and I reset my car rotation, as you can see, I also have now a shadow here on the Hdri. So if you were going for the still renders, it might be very useful. Okay guys, that's it for this add-on review. And I wanted to show you this add-on because this is a tool that I use all the time. It's very simple but yet powerful. It has so many vehicles and their quality are really great for stills and animations. And because there is a 25% off, I wanted to share this information with you guys. Okay, so don't hesitate if you have questions to ask them in the comment section, and I talk to you soon. Bye bye.